But the experience that I get meeting people from other parts of the world, from other different communities, has been just as beneficial. I'm hearing their stories, how they are working, even though Shahid in Bangladesh does completely different work than I do. He still works with people in his community. So we're able to share stories and relate and learn from each other. It gives us so many tools to be able to work with the communities, from empowerment, sustainable development, even the food and water security provides us with a lot of information that we need to be able to relate to our community. We've developed a professional relationship as well. I consider them colleagues and not just fellow students. And the learning is continual. It's a wonderful process, and I believe it will last even once we all graduate.